the bait conditioner, right?
The what?
You put the bait conditioner?
Yep, trail hoppers, you saw correctly. My phone is on its way to the bottom of the lake. That shows you how this trip is getting ready to go. Let's ride.
What's up, trail hoppers? It is a beautiful day today, and we are off the trail this week because of Mother's Day. And so, since it's such a nice day out, my brother and I are going to do some fishing with Mom. So you guys stay tuned for this week's episode. Let's ride. All right, trail hoppers, so it's been a while since we have got to hang out with Mom. So we are super excited for today. Get out there and do some fishing. You know what? I better check and make sure that my fishing license is still valid. I normally get the 3-year fishing license, and so I can double check it online, make sure we're good to go. But trail hoppers, I'm already gonna tell you that my brother, he gonna be mad. He gonna be mad for 2 reasons. He gonna be mad because I'm late. I was supposed to be at the bait shop at 8 o'clock, and it's 7:39 right now. But he ain't gonna understand that I had Chipotle last night, which, looking back, probably shouldn't have did that. But the second reason he gonna be mad is because I'm getting ready to catch all the fish today, hands down. So I'm gonna try to get a before and after. They probably gonna look the same. He's gonna be disappointed in both pictures. But we're gonna try to hurry up and run up here to Old Dutchman bait shop so that we can get the party started right. Should be again a fun day hanging out with Mom for the day. And then I'm gonna hang out with Wifey tonight. We're gonna go to a concert. So I got a jam-packed day. So yeah, we're gonna catch up with you guys in a minute. Let's ride. All right, trail hopper, so I made it to the spot where we fishing at, and pure Mike fashion, because I was late, now I got to carry my stuff down to the boat because he already done put the boat in. So it don't pay to be late, guys. Let's ride. After 2 trips to the car, because he left me because I was late. He and on top of that, he put the boat all the way at the end of the dock. So I had to walk all the way to the end of the dock to get on. But that's all right. Because remember what I guys told y'all at the beginning of the video. Reason number 2 is gonna be here real soon. We got Mom on the boat today. What's up, Mom? So trail hopper, since we got her on live here, how's it going, buddy? Good, doing great. Since we got her on the video here, we're gonna ask her why we ain't getting no Easter basket. Because that's gonna determine, trail hoppers, whether we make it back to the shore or not. So now that I got her out here, you know, we saw on the video my younger sister, she got an Easter basket, but didn't nobody else get one. Well, that we know of. At least me and Mike didn't, so, you know.
You ain't asked.
Oh, we didn't ask trail hoppers. That's the story. But anyway, it's a beautiful day out here on the lake. We up here at Hoover, but that's all the information y'all getting, because I don't want y'all coming to my spot when y'all in Ohio. But yeah, so we gonna get our fish on. Let's ride. All right, first fish on. First fish on. And that was Mom? Yep. You almost hit me in the face with it. Good God Almighty. Fish number 2, 3. Trail hopper, she out here putting us to shame. We ain't even on the board yet. Oh wait, where'd my minnow go? You did get the bait conditioner, right? The what? You put the bait conditioner? It's still recording, man. Trail hoppers. Trail hoppers, we can't make this up. Oh, man. I'm a believer in iPhones now, trail hoppers. That boy seen his life flag. Oh, shoot. Good golly, Miss Molly. He was playing with it. You know what happened when you play with it. Measuring book. There we go. Here we go. All right, Mom. Oh, so y'all just going double bang it.
Go, baby.
Y'all just gonna double bang it on me. That's what y'all gonna do?
Baby. Let's go. Let's go.
you got back there? There we go.
Through the water.
There we go, trail hoppers on the board. Fuck. That bread. Oh, Mom, guess you go net, Mom.
Oh, what's that?
Get the net.
Oh.
Yeah, that's wild.
Mom, we can't do it.
Here. Here, Mom.
So am I holding it right?
Yeah, you still see it on. You still see it
Oh,
on.
okay.
Watch it be a little one too. Just can't catch him when it's strong. Oh, that's a beautiful one. This is beautiful one.
Nice. You actually caught nice.
I knew this for the one minute. Mike just caught a catfish.
That's him.
You better have him. Don't be holding like you been holding.
That's what she said. Oh, man.
Trail hoppers. Have you ever seen a tree bass?
Ah, now. Shut up. I'm sorry,
My boy out here catching tree bass.
Oh, it did break.
What, your pole or your line? She be catching them. She be catching them quietly. You ain't say fish on or nut.
Do your comeback. Get out of here. You kids go somewhere else. Swimming that way though. Oh. I gotta keep her out of there. Okay, I see him. Come alive.
You got to size it.
Ain't that right, Mom? He ain't had to measure no fish in there. I was doing a slow motion like they do in the video. Bro, you out too far, man. You gotta take a chance. You gotta stand up.
I ain't want to disturb this pole just yet.
Bam! That one is light, Mom. And they be keepers. You banging them like that. 10 seconds. Find the hunger. Put out. No. I'll throw it back in there like that. It'll be right on. Mercedes.
Okay.
Yeah, you got it.
Here.
Here's the minnow. Nigga, just real. Oh, you should have let it go.
All right, I'll never do the story of that's why you got rid of me. Okay, my boy, I see you.
Bruh, I ain't never had no crappie fight like that. Bro, never had no crappie fight like that.
Look where I'm at.
Oh yeah. Did it stand up? Oh,
Almost. Right there,
oh,
you
there. Nah, but I think your what's the name is
On
on
the
the other side of it. Oh, there you go. There you go.
Look.
Okay, we gotta get up out of here because I'm making a mess.
I was gonna say I could hold it to the film.
We gonna make him go shake, baby. Tree shaking, baby. Okay. Okay, my boy. That pressure. I hate to keep the female. About 10, so right at 9, you might have to put it back.
That's your choice. I think you're about
I ain't even putting them on no stringer. I'm leaving them on the bob. Hey, he don't.
Yeah. Yeah, see, they ain't super aggressive. He just kind of grabbed it.
I'll go get him. Go on out of there, boy. Come out of there, boy. He's fine as some dead Papa Daddy. Yeah, well, I met my own shit.
Man, Papa Daddy, let it talk. Come on, let it talk. Let's go.
My boy. Yes, sir. do something. That ain't 10 nowhere near. Oh, barely hooked. That's nice, huh? Look, Mom, you gotta shoot the gap, Mom. Oh, yeah, baby. That was crazy. As soon as it got up against that tree, bro, it snatched it.
I know.
All right, trail hoppers. We had a great day out here on the lake for Mom's Mother's Day fishing trip, and we did pretty good. Now, the Captain Mike won't admit that I smoked him, but we're gonna go ahead and get all the fish out the live well, get them packed up so we can get a count, see how many fish Mom taking home. Let's ride.
If you've made it this far in the video, thank you for your continued support of Hopping the Trails with the Hopkins. We appreciate all the time that you spend watching our content. If you want us to continue to put out great content, be sure to hit that thumbs up icon to let us know that we are doing a good job. Also, subscribe to that channel. Hit the notification bell just so that you never miss a trail, you never miss your fishing trip, you never miss a cruise, you never miss an adventure. On this particular trip, Mom took home a total of 13 crappie. That's right, she took home 13 crappie plus 1 catfish. And we had a great day hanging out there with Mom. We hope to get her out there on the boat even more this season. So right now we are about every other week fishing trip, and we're trying to fish during the week so it doesn't take away from our camping during the weekend, because you know wifey, she's not pulling the boat, she's not pulling the trailer, she's not pulling anything. So until next time, let's ride.